guys, I just wanted to share this with you. I saw online, I think it was Facebook or an article online. Obviously, it's not in place now, and um, no one can obviously fly right now because of the coronavirus and everything that's going on. But what I thought was very cool was they're in the process of making airplane seats more wheelchair accessible for people in wheelchairs. So they would basically make the airplane seat so your wheelchair could just drive in the airplane seat spot, and they would have special tie downs to tie down your chair, and a seat belt and everything, so your caregiver or friend or parents don't have to manually transfer you in a airplane seat, because that can be hard on caregivers or friends or family. So I'm just so glad that they're kind of stepping up to the plate and making things a lot easier for people with disabilities regarding flying. And like I said, right now, no one is flying right now because obviously the whole thing with the coronavirus, but I thought it was just really cool that the airports and airplanes are putting that in place. It's not being worked on right now, but they're working on, like, trying to figure out details of how they're going to do that for people with disabilities. So I thought that was kind of neat that they are going to set that up for people with disabilities so that they can travel more independently with friends, and it's a lot safer on the disability community, so we don't have to sit in a regular seat and be uncomfortable. We can just fly in our wheelchair. So, like I said, it's not set in stone and it's not set in place yet, but they're in the process of working on that system, so I'm very excited. Like I said, I'll share the article with you below in the link. Alright, subscribe, share, like, and stay positive, guys. Thanks.